everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have an Hermes unboxing to share with you guys. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So you guys, hi! If you can tell, there's a new little background, a new situation going on. I got a new chair in my office. I will have a vlog of this probably within the next couple of days after you see this video. I got it as like a reading chair, like a really giant, big kind of day bed. It's not a day bed, but it's almost a day bed. And it came in yesterday and it replaced the other chair I had in here. So now you can even see my pretty artwork. You couldn't see my artwork in my last setup. This is gonna be the setup from now on. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. I hope I'm not too far away from the mic or too close to the mic. I guess I'll know that whenever I edit, but let me know what you think about it in the comments. But today we have this little Hermes unboxing. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I have been wanting this item for so long and I finally just like pulled the trigger last month. No fancy story or anything like that regarding this unboxing. I just have been dying to get my hands on this item for such a long time because everybody and their mom has this. I feel like every single person on the internet, FOMO really got to me, to be honest, with this in particular. And I couldn't help myself. So let's just start. I've already opened this up. It's not like a true unboxing or like a blind unboxing or whatever, because I have already opened this up and like looked at everything. But I think I did a pretty decent job of tying the ribbon back on. Now you can even see my little Hermes pillow in the background too. Oh my god, I love this new little setup so much. It's so much more comfortable as well. Anyways, here is the box. Sorry if you're new, by the way. Hello, if this is like your first video that you're seeing of me and I'm over here talking about my new chair. But hello, so happy to have you. If you are new, welcome. Here is the little box. And then when we open it up, can we tell? Okay, so here is the receipt, I think. Yeah, this is just the receipt right here. And then on the inside, we have these two little babies. You probably already know what this is at this point now because you've seen that there are two little dust jackets. So that means it has to have two. So we'll open this up. Here is the first little dust jacket. I finally got a pair of Hermes Oran sandals, you guys. I actually did have a pair of these a long time ago that I bought from Luxury Promise, and they were way too big. I got them in a 9 because I wasn't sure what size I was going to be, so I got them in a 39, and they ended up being way too big, so I ended up having to sell those. And those ones were in white as well. I did love the white, and I will be getting a white pair eventually because I do wear a lot of colors that could go with white, but I just really wanted the brown color for my first pair this time around because I don't have the white ones anymore. I got these in a 38 because I did go to the Hermes store in Rome, or I went to one of them and did like a try on just to see what my actual size was, and it was just a straight 38. So here's what they look like. They're so beautiful. You've seen the Hermes Oran sandals before, I'm sure, and it's got the beautiful like white contrast stitching throughout as well. Here's the bottom. And I just think they are absolutely stunning. Of course, I got them in the gold color because I just love this color so much. It's one of my favorite Hermes colors and just one of my favorite colors, period. I just think it's so beautiful. And I can't wait to wear these with the upcoming spring and summertime. It's already getting to be decently warm here where I am. So I feel like I'll be able to wear these next month, starting of like April. So that's really great. I know a lot of people online have these in every single color. Like I know Freya Killen has these in like 5 or 6 different colors. And I will say they are pretty comfortable. They're not like the most comfortable thing in the entire world, but they are relatively comfortable. I don't know how loud they are. I know that Jessie Lou here on YouTube didn't end up liking hers, and I think she either returned them or sold them because she said that they're way too loud. I haven't had that issue, but then again, I haven't really tried to go downstairs in these shoes, so I don't really know how loud they are, but I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna do like a little try on portion and show you what these look like on my feet. Please do not bother with my toes. I haven't gotten them done since Italy. They still look decent, but just don't bother with those. One thing that I want to gripe about regarding these, I think these had a price increase because the last time that I went to go like buy these, I was kind of toying with the idea last year about getting these, and I think they had a price increase on the Hermes website, which makes me very sad. Well, maybe it's me because I got them from Luxury Promise for I think like $600 and something. So maybe that was just my experience last time. Let me see if I can look up Luxury Promise. I will never buy anything again from Luxury Promise, by the way. It doesn't tell me, but I want to say it was around $610 when I bought these the first time and they were too big. But now on the Hermes website, these things are $760. Weren't they like $600 before? Like I feel they were a lot less expensive. Well, they're still stupidly expensive, but I don't remember them being $760. So I'm only gonna have one pair for a while because I don't think I want to drop $760 again for a pair of sandals anytime soon. Maybe next year I'll buy another pair in a different color, but that's just outrageous. I bit the bullet this time because I really just wanted them. Like the FOMO was getting me so badly, and I was like, oh my god, it's the new year, we're getting into spring, summer, let me just get a pair. But yeah, that's a lot for a pair of freaking sandals. And I think in the moment when I bought these, I was like, oh, it's fine. But now I'm thinking on it, I'm just like, holy shit, that's a lot of money. Anyways, yeah, definitely not going to be buying another pair of these anytime soon, but I'm glad I have these ones. I'll definitely wear these a ton this year. But yeah, guys, these are my Hermes Oran sandals. I hope that you like them. Let me know in the comments if you have a pair of these as well. Let me know if they are on your wish list. And let me know what color you would get first. Do you like the gold color like I have, or would you get black? Would you get white? Would you get a different color altogether? Let me know in the comments, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!